On number 6, I'm trying to find the inverse function. So my first step is to take it out of functional notation. So I'm going to rewrite, instead of f of x, I'm going to call it y. My next step is going to be to swap my x and my y. So I'm just changing, wherever I see a y I'm putting an x, and wherever I see an x I'm putting a y. My next step is to solve for y. So there's this plus 1 here, I want to move that to the other side. And then we have y cubed. So to get rid of a cubed, you want to take the cubed root. So I want to take the cubed root of both sides. And that would give me y is equal to the cubed root of x minus 1. So the cubed root really cancels out with the cube there. Our last step is to express this as f inverse, or f to the negative 1 notation. And that'll be your answer.